All right, I get this question a lot, and it's something that a lot of native speakers have told me. Just read the Tusipaia, also known as the Holy Bible, and you're gonna learn Samoan. Guess what? A lot of us have done it, and it's not that easy. But the Tusipaia is a great resource to use because it uses a more formal structure than you'll find like on social media, TikTok and Facebook or whatever. So the first thing is to familiarize yourself with each of the phrase structure: tense, subject, action, location, and time. Number 2, do not use online translators to translate entire phrases. You just want to translate words. Usually they get the words right, but phrases, sometimes they're right, sometimes they're wrong. But the main thing is you want to power through learning new words as you study. So let's start at Matthew 20. All right, you can see right here that it says, "O tangata whaingaluenga i le whaatoanga vine." The great thing about learning the Samoan language, especially with formal writings, oftentimes there are indicators that begin each phrase that we're in. So a lot of times when phrases and sentences begin with the O, you pretty much know that you're in a subject phrase. We're talking about a subject, a person, place, thing, or idea. Since the Tusipaia is very descriptive, you're going to see a lot more adjectives, and adjectives describe nouns, and you're going to see a lot of adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs. And almost always, not every time, the word that describes the word, like an adjective, is going to come after the noun. We have tangata, or people. Well, what kind of tangata? It's the word right after it, whaingaluenga. So tangata whaingaluenga, working people or workers. So tangata whaingaluenga, we've established that as our subject. We have i le whaatoanga vine left over after that. Location phrases often start with I, ya, te, mai. There's a whole bunch of them. You can look them up. Prepositions. O tangata whaingaluenga I le whaatoanga vine. So in or at the, and then what is the whaatoanga vine? If you look that up, you're going to see that as together it makes the vineyard. We've broken down subject and location. Next video, we're going to do actions and then time. When you're first starting, trying to read the whole thing can be intimidating. Break it down piece by piece, phrase by phrase, and then over time it's going to become a lot faster for you.